Oh, look who finally decided to show up. Oh, pulling in front ways today. Man, I'm gonna have to call him out on that. So what is going on? Welcome to the channel today. It is Russell, aka Medic Magic. Got a couple things in store for you guys. Got some new parts back here for the S2000. Like I said before, we got the clutch in today. We also got this exhaust, and we got some coffees. And there's Ben the Toolman Taylor. So let's go see what he's doing. Oh, and he's always got zippers zip the whole way up. What's going on?
It's like more trees fell down out there.
Yeah.
That's what happens. So,
I can't wait to like make that go back and forth and back and forth.
dead pines on the property line out here. A little heavy wind took them down pretty hard. I'm gonna have a little spring cleanup to do. So
That's actually what's gonna happen.
Troops,
Yeah.
Have a little spring tree cleanup meet up here.
Yeah.
That'd be great.
All the truck boys.
Check the description for the deets on that.
Here, you want some coffee?
Oh.
Oh, you don't want it?
Oh, Sheets coffee.
Yeah.
Oh, this is breaking protocol.
What protocol? Amy. Oh.
Well, we're not gonna move the Corvette.
Can't we just push it?
Why? It's been sitting there for.
I know it's in the way of everything.
You just need to put your car back where it was.
Oh.
And quit letting all my heat out.
Oh.
$600 bill up here. Triggered. Heat triggered.
We need to get Drift Car 1 done, Drift Car 2 done. You need to stop being so lazy and start making moves.
No more. We're not allowed to have race simulators or computers.
Oh yeah. Literally ever since we made that race simulator, we haven't gotten anything productive done. This is the first time we've been up here in a couple weeks. Hence, since we built the race simulator. Anyways, exhaust is in the box over here. We're gonna get it ready to rock and roll, get it put on. So let's get this thing on the quick jacks.
There's a decent amount of oil in each car. I'll tell you what, it looks like that. You can put like 3 drops of oil like that, it just spreads out and looks huge. I thought you would put that on record. Should we look under what's under the bed? No, don't do that.
Man, that's nice. Anyways, we got this sweet new exhaust that's gonna try and go on the car today. So, we'll see how this goes. Man, that's lightweight. You probably pick up like where people are talking like in the house or something. Nice. See, all the hardware we need. Brackets, gaskets. Man, you got the thing in my face.
Can't believe APR did this to us.
Yeah, I can't believe APR would send us all this sweet exhaust for an S2000.
Looks like they have some really big rolls of toilet paper over in China.
Man, this is nice. What can you expect for free?
Who'd you steal this off of?
That blue tip actually looks really good with the white.
Nice.
Nice. It's got this nice exhaust here, but it doesn't look like, it's not like big fart cans, which is nice. It's just a nice little blue burnt tip. Man, we're really making exhaust moves.
Not bad bolting parts on. I like bolting parts on.
Yeah.
Well, that one there will actually be good.
Yeah.
You know what? Maybe this one's jacked up because wasn't this?
Oh
one
yeah.
wrecked?
Yeah. Maybe that, maybe
The
some
hanger's probably bent.
up on top.
Yeah.
Bend her down.
Because this one fits like perfect.
I bet that's probably true.
That's probably what happened.
Because remember, that's how the other one looked too. It was all up like that.
Hey!
Hey! Cross.
Get the bag.
Get the freaking bag, Cross.
Okay, where's the rest of this thing?
Where's the rest of this thing out there? Yeah, I don't know where Tay's at. I think he might be getting drunk. That's all he ever does anymore is get drunk. So anyways, we just found out we have a new deadline. April 5th. The local ice cream shop opens, and I guarantee there's gonna be a bunch of people cruising up there and a bunch of... Also still working on the subscription box, guys. Thanks for watching the video yesterday. It wasn't very interesting, but again, April, what did I say, Ben? 21st is gonna be the spring kickoff meet. More details to come with that as interest peaks and goes up. So, how's it going?
Sweet.
Nice.
Do you have your box cutter?
Who was it that sent us this?
Competition Clutch actually sent this to us. Man, that's why we can't have nice things.
This is why we have a lot of nice things. But
That's just what people say when somebody messes their stuff up.
what stage is this been to?
Oh, it's actually a stage 4, Russ.
Where's Teddy at?
It's hard to say.
Man, that's a nice cut. Wow. This is nice packaging. Man, nice.
Wow.
You probably hit somebody in the head with this.
Oh, that's nice.
That is really nice.
Guy, we're trying to keep the shop clean.
Dude, this actually looks really sweet.
Yeah, you think?
Look at that. It's a Honda on there. Honda. Civic.
Nice.
Making moves. Performance clutch. Stage 4 6-pad ceramic. SCC rated.
Wow. Decals.
Woo! Stickers.
Nice.
Those guys over at Competition Clutch, they know it. Wait till I just start like keeping all this stuff. We put it in the subscription boxes.
We only make 6 subscription boxes.
Did you get my reaction to that on film?
I don't think so.
I'm like this. I'm like waiting for it to be the size of this. Like,
wow, that thing is tiny.
I was waiting for it to be the size of this box. I'm like, oh, okay. And it's like, whoop.
Like literally, that's about one hand width of a clutch.
Wow.
It looks so much bigger in the pictures.
It does. Are they all this small? I'm like, how is this gonna hold 800 horsepower?
I don't know. It's got to be so stiff. Like your leg is going to be killing you.
Wow.
Every day's leg day when you drive this thing.
I really hope you got my reaction when I opened that up.
I don't think.
It was just like, I was like.
I don't think I did.
Is this for like a toy car? Is this?
That's crazy.
For your,
it's a Ninja Star. This is a ceramic 6-puck sprung clutch. We sprung for the big dollar one.
Just like T-Pain. You know that song? Get sprung. Get sprung.
I didn't hear that one. You're gonna lose all
What
that
does this
stuff.
do? I've seen these in a lot of as I just like it goes off.
That is the alignment tool, Russ.
Wow.
That actually aligns the clutch disc so that the spline of the transmission will slip right in.
Transmission. That's pretty good.
And
Man, there's a lot of coffees in there.
I'm sure you're.
Holy smokes! Look at that little Coke.
Oh geez, get it out of there!
I only got 2 hands. I got the camera in my hand.
Get it out of there, quick!
It's gonna blow.
Get it out of there, quick!
Watch it explodes as soon as I touch it.
Be gentle. That's like that will cut your hand.
Oh, man.
Just be gentle. It should be fine. It's probably froze.
Yeah, it's so.
Easy! You're moving the whole fridge. Wow.
What if I just like spiked it off the ground?
It's a It's a Diet Coke torpedo.
It's like a pipe bomb.
We can't say that.
I just throw it and it explodes.
Well, that's not gonna taste. Don't do that. Get that out of the shop. It's gonna make a mess everywhere.
Then it's gonna get.
Just throw it outside.
You needed to let it warm up.
Just throw it. No, you just throw it outside. It's not gonna taste right.
Why not? It's just fruit.
It's all separated. Just throw it outside. You're not gonna be able to sit it down. You're gonna have to drink it in one standing.
Now I gotta tell all the people we're not putting the clutch in tonight. Anyways, clutch is not going in tonight because Ben ordered the wrong one.
Hey, I ordered the right one. They sent the wrong one.
And there's a lot of confusion. I think they sent us a clutch for what'd you say, an
B series Integra.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's like a.
Who was it that sent us that? Map Performance?
That's actually Competition Clutch that sent that to us.
So apparently they're gonna overnight us another one, and we gotta send that one back. I mean, I'm triggered. Why would Competition Clutch do this to us? All right, we're going live on the channel. Not really. I'm just saying live as in like I'm recording. So we did get sent the wrong clutch, but we're gonna take the old one out so that when the new one gets here tomorrow, we can just throw it in and be cruising. Hopefully. Oh, I guess we have to do some exhaust work too here. There you go. You need an adapter or something?
Yeah, I do. I don't know where it's at.
Oh, it's a good tune. Good tune. Do, do, do.
Two hours later.
So we managed to get a lot done today. Got the shifter out. We're gonna take the entire turbo back off. There's a lot of stuff going. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning now. Whenever you think you're close to being done, you're never done. But good news is the exhaust fits and doesn't look too ricey, so. You have anything to say, Ben?
No. To the people. No.
So hopefully the clutch comes tomorrow. I'm tired.
Only time